There's a blizzard outside. Noticed that my garbage can, I put my garbage can in the corner of the building and somehow it made it over there by the snow. So I gotta go get it. Doesn't look like it's gonna be much fun. Gotta open the garage. Cold! Damn! Snow kind of hits you in the face and it's hard to... Man, the snow hits me in the face and it hurts. I should get the other one ready too. Has taken most of the snow away, but just kind of leaves tracks of it there. If you ever wanted to know what a blizzard looks like, this is what it looks like. Snow into my garage. All this snow just came in under the door.